make a rainbow. Mountains of the
Okurjeja ahari mutenyo aida orukora nka chairperson wa Kiswahili Association East Africa kandi umukuru w'abashomesa b'ururimi rw'oruswahili mu ihanga ryona orumoru n'orukuru mu ihanga konka amashomero gakinde bizo byo kubura ibikoreso hamwe n'empiha zitarukumara.
Like now we are trying to see that Ugandans have the lower secondary material or books which are not yet in place soon. I believe they'll be there. We have A-level curriculum which we have been having not enough books. Even the secondaries we are talking about, they don't have enough books to teach Kiswahili. We have so many secondary teachers who are not yet employed. We have those primary teachers, and since because the subject is not examinable, once they go out they forget the language.
Ebigamberwe aharuterana rw'ebiro bibiri ahari Mountains of the Moon University omuri Fort Portal kandi rwetabirwemu abeegi hamwe n'abashomesa b'orumoru kuruga omu bicweka byonna eby'ihanga.
But we normally do it rotationally. One, to give courage to our students who are offering the subject, to motivate them that they are on the right track. Also, institutions to not to inform them, but to know that it is a subject which, much as we call it special need, with its facilities being low, but it is a subject which is sustainable and it can stand.
We are happy that we are all together to learn together, interact together, and be able to build that our lecturers have been imparting to us.
Cabinet umwaka guhwire ekahinguza ururimi rw'oruswahili kuba rumwe ahandimi ezine kukoresibwa mu butongore kandi zikabuzibwa mu mashomero ga primary na secondary konka abahangu omu rumoru nibagira ngu eki kibasa kugwa butaka gavumenti yaba etongire aha mubare gw'abashomesa b'orumoru hamwe n'okutereza ebikishobere.
You know, a child acquire and get a language at that earliest stages, but it's just so unfortunate that we don't have Kiswahili being examined in primary school. The moment we capture that level in the education sector, I believe we shall be at par, because now we are building the house from the top, leaving the foundation which will fall.
Tubasa gukora companies ezindi hariyo embassies nibasa kupeka mu mahanga gandi habwa speech yawe ukore translation from other languages to Kiswahili.
Gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwiri.